How to log into Auckland Savings Bank credit card account online. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here you're going to find the search box, type in Auckland Bank login and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, ASB Bank, open it. With that, you will be directed to the official website of it. Once you're in the website, now at the top right corner, you're going to see the option of login. Click on it. Now from here, you can select the option of Fastnet Classic Mobile. You'll be directed to the login page. Now from here you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is provide your credentials. First up, go ahead and type in your username. Then type in the password. If you want to save your login info, check in for the option of Remember Me. If you have forgotten your password or username, click on these options to recover it. After you fill this, click on Login, and just for that, you will be logged into your account. So this way you can easily log in to Auckland Savings Bank credit card account online. In the case you haven't registered for your account yet, click on this option of register now and go through the process. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.